Hi there. Are you ready to boost productivity and streamline your workspace? Today, I'm here to guide you through the amazing 5S methodology. Let's dive right in. 5S is a tried-and-true Japanese workplace organization method designed to improve efficiency, safety, and quality. It's a game-changer for manufacturing, labs, healthcare, and offices alike. So, what does 5S stand for? S1, Sort S2, Set in Order S3, Shine S4, Standardize and S5, Sustain. Let's break each one down step by step. First up, Sort or Seiri. The goal here is to eliminate unnecessary items from your workspace. Start by going through every item you have: tools, equipment, supplies, and files. Categorize them as needed, not needed, or maybe. Discard or relocate anything unnecessary. For those questionable items, tag them with a red tag for later review. Next, we have Set in Order or Seiton. Organize what you need for easy access and a smooth workflow. Arrange tools and materials based on how often you use them. Use labels, color coding, and shadows for visual cues. Make sure everything has a designated place. Remember, a place for everything and everything in its place. Now let's shine or Seiso. This step involves thoroughly cleaning your area. Clean machines, floors, and desks. Everything. Assign regular cleaning tasks and responsibilities. While cleaning, inspect for wear, leaks, or any abnormal conditions. This isn't just about cleanliness. It's about maintaining your tools and work environment. Moving on to Standardize or Seiketsu. The objective here is to establish standard procedures for maintaining cleanliness and organization. Create visual SOPs, standard operating procedures, post charts, schedules, and checklists. Define clear expectations on who does what, when, and how. It's all about consistency. Finally, Sustain or Shitsuke. Develop habits to maintain and improve the 5S methodology. Train and involve all staff members. Perform regular audits and reviews. Celebrate small wins and recognize consistency. Encourage suggestions for improvement. This is all about building a culture of continuous improvement. So, what are the benefits of implementing 5S? You'll see reduced waste and downtime, better safety, and fewer accidents. Productivity will soar, and team morale and involvement will improve. And let's not forget, easier compliance with standards like GMP and ISO. There you have it, a quick and easy guide to implementing 5S. It's time to take action and transform your workspace today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on boosting productivity. See you next time.